Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 8th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we're starting off on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, the trend is 100% still up, based on this low right here. If this really is the end of an A, B, C correction, which it looks like it is, then it eventually will make its way all the way back up and make new highs on the daily time frame. So unless this makes a very significant break of structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level on the 4-hour time frame, I would be doing nothing but looking for longs because it could just bounce, go, maybe make a little bit of a bigger correction after the bigger structure and just keep on making higher highs and higher lows. So I personally would definitely be looking for longs. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, really, I mean, most of these pullbacks are on a little bit of a shorter time frame, like the 30 minute. On the 30 minute, look at this. One, two, three waves down, go long. 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 So what would I be doing right now? I would be waiting for more three-way pullbacks for more long opportunities, probably someplace around the 30-minute time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.